Sheldon's Travels, and today we're doing an oil change on the Ram Promaster City. Normally I just take it in and get it done, but like we talked about in the last couple episodes, took it to a Jiffy Lube, took it to a Vanlife. I must have hit something on the oil pan, but we got it all jacked up in the air here, and I'm just going to take you under there with me, and you get to see how much the damage is. And we're just going to work through this. We're going to pull the little drain plug out for the oil and get it draining and see if there's that little gasket still in there or what is going on. So, we'll just have to see what it is, guys. Well, that is the damage, guys. You can tell I hit something on the oil pan, and there's the little plug for the oil, and that's what they were talking about. But I'm gonna slip the oil where you put the oil in. There's the filter. It does have a little drop of oil on it, which I don't like, but let's drain this oil and see what we got. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the little seal just came off.
Yeah, I figured it was some kind of gasket or something.
Easy peasy, guys. Well, that is very encouraging. It came out with no problem, and it's definitely not damaged. So, well, here is the factory oil pan drain plug, and as you can tell, this is a little bit tore off. Some of it came off on the wrench whenever. So we just made a trip to the parts store and I bought a brand new bolt, even though this one's just a little messed up. Brand new bolt. It was only like $5, and another set of these little Teflon seals here. So, and we got an extra pack here just in case, because I'm going to have to be doing my own oil now, it looks like. And I'll have to take this skid plate off, which we'll be making another video and showing you. We're putting on a skid plate so this never happens again. It's right over there. But we did get a new, not very expensive, so, and it being underneath that skid plate, I don't want to take any chances. So we're ditching this one, putting this one in. We got all the oil drained. We're going to see how it works. I did take a little file and knock some of the big stuff, the little edges off of that, but let's see what we got. Screw that back in. Still have to get the filter out, but there we go. Extra oil. Go. Spray. Yep. There we go. Nice and tight. There we go. Now we just have to change the filter. Good to go. Well, We got the new oil filter right here. I got the old one down. A little trick my dad taught me, and Bob thinks the same way. Just take a little bit of motor oil and put it around the edge. Just kind of helps seal it up. Not too much because you don't want to over tighten these, but I'll just kind of hand tighten it, give it a little snug. So that'll work. Alright, that works. Nice and tight.
Good job. One more thing done for the day.
Yeah.
And you can slide that oil pan out here, and I'll take care of it and get it out of your way.
Well, we greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much,
A
Bob.
fistful of sockets and see if you can.
Wow, everyone, the oil filter is in, the new drain plug with the new little gaskets on. I think it looks good. I am going to have to do my own oil from now on because they don't want to change your oil if there's anything wrong down there. That's just the way it's going to be from now on. But this van does run full synthetic, so we're going to be using 0W20, which I know a lot of you guys don't use this in your rigs, but this is full synthetic. Takes 5.5 quarts. Got and you'll see in another video, we did a full spark plug change. The air filter was still new. Pretty much a tune-up, you might as well say, for the most part. So we're going to add 5.5 quarts of the oil. Let's see if it has a little thing in the inside. Yep, they usually do. Give it a good add. Alright, well, I'm going to actually put all 5.5 of these in here. I'm not going to make you wait for that. So that's us changing the oil in the van. Hope you stay tuned for the tune-up and for the new skid plate that's going to be going on in the bottom. We did get some studs put in. We're going to make a template tomorrow and then cut the holes and cut the piece of aluminum, and we'll bring you with us for that like always. But we're going to end this little video right here. Thanks for watching. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
And a huge thank you to Bob and Wanda for all the tools and all the help today. Greatly appreciated, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Absolutely. Couldn't have done it without them. Thanks so much. And don't forget to hit that bell on the next time we post a video.
Have a good night, guys.